morning. You getting it? All right. So normally we don't encourage digging in the yard, but in this case, there's been a chippy that's been digging a den down in here. All right. So Ted and I we're doing a team effort. We're gonna dig those guys out. Good job. You need help? Need help? Okay. Hold on. Give me a break here, man. Okay. Go ahead, dig again. So Ted's doing, obviously, the majority of the digging. And then when a rock needs to be excavated out, I'm taking them out, putting them in a little pile over there. Luckily, Mom hasn't spotted what we're doing yet. All right. Where'd you get? Oh, don't bite rocks. Don't bite rocks. I'll get him. Hold on. Only one of us can work in a hole at a time. If anybody says that's what she said, I'm coming after you. Oh, I see it. So eventually I'll be able to get the rototiller out. I'll till that area up and I'll flatten it back out again. But yeah, every time we come out here, there's a hole about the size of looks like a golf ball hole, and it goes way down. So I tried filling it with water, but the chipmunks, they build these little tunnels up and above, so the water goes up and over, and then it can't fill in the other hole. So, wow, man, those are packed in really good. Hold on. Hey, you're digging my hand again. There you go, keep going. So, you can't really flood these guys out. So the only thing you can do is dig them out. And luckily for that task, well, I've got a Yorkie. You can click them out in the dirt over there. This is really hard-packed clay, Ted. I don't think you're gonna have trouble. Got a few rocks out of here. Crap, I gotta go back to work, man. Hey, take a break? Hey, come here. Ted, you want this bread? No? Hey, I'm gonna leave it right here, okay? It's right there. All right, I'll see you later. Take a break. See, right here. Hey. See it? There you go. Alrighty, I'll see you, buddy.